Ladies and gentlemen, gamers of all ages, welcome to a very special occasion for our Retro-Bliss Legacy community. Today, as we celebrate the launch of the Voice Command Center, we also pay homage to the nostalgia and joy of the 80s arcade and pinball halls that many of us cherished. This release isn't just an update, it's a tribute to the past and a step into the future of gaming. At the heart of our community are the people, the pillars who have built and nurtured this space. Their dedication and passion mirror the vibrant lights and sounds of those classic arcades we all remember. A massive thank you to Virtual Man, whose relentless dedication keeps our system collection diverse and our interfaces sleek and engaging. Bilu, our scripting wizard, ensures every game and system operates in flawless harmony, an art and science that keeps our gaming experience magical. Welcome back to our fold, and thank you for everything you do. Retrowave DFS, the artist behind our stunning visual presentations. Your work not only enhances our interface, but also brings a piece of digital art into our everyday lives, much like the colorful graphics that adorn those arcade walls. MIDI Man 369, our media host. Thank you for enabling us to share our love for retro gaming with the world. Your efforts are the backbone of our outreach. And then there's Scorpio, whose integration of the Voice Command Center into the Retro-Bliss legacy is akin to adding a new high score to the arcade leaderboard. Innovative, thrilling, and profoundly impactful. To all our community enthusiasts and contributors who support, innovate, and enliven our community every day, your collective passion, commitment, and camaraderie make this community as vibrant and dynamic as any arcade. Now let's delve into what the Retro-Bliss Legacy and the Voice Command Center can do. Retro-Bliss Legacy is more than just a collection of games. It's a comprehensive platform that brings together over 103 classic systems under one roof. From the iconic arcade machines of the 80s to the beloved pinball tables, and even today's modern game consoles, Retro-Bliss Legacy offers an unparalleled gaming experience that bridges generations of gamers. Whether you're a fan of action, adventure, racing, or sports games, you'll find something to enjoy in this extensive library. Now let's talk about the Voice Command Center, the crown jewel of Retro-Bliss Legacy. This cutting-edge feature allows you to control your entire gaming setup using just your voice, making your gaming experience smoother, more intuitive, and incredibly convenient. Here's what you can do with it. Search for games. Simply say search game, followed by the game's name, and the system will locate it for you in seconds. No more endless scrolling. Find your favorites instantly. Genre search. Discover new titles that match your interests by saying search genre, followed by the genre name like action or adventure. If the system doesn't recognize your genre selection, it will play an error sound. Just repeat the command and you're good to go. Favorite management. Easily manage your favorite games. Say show favorites to display your list, close favorites to hide it, and toggle favorite to add or remove a game from your favorites. Home menu commands. Navigate the system effortlessly with commands like cancel, select, start game, randomize, quick access, main menu, clear, escape, and next song. Controller configuration. Configure your controllers without lifting a finger. Switch between X input and Real Wii Remote. Set up multiplayer configurations and manage controller settings with simple voice commands. System management. Control your system with ease. Use commands like Legacy Start to begin your gaming session, Legacy Shutdown to safely exit, and Filter Reset to clear and reset game filters. Synchronization. Keep your game lists and collections up to date with Synchronized Game List and Synchronized Collections. These commands ensure your library is always current and organized. Volume and power controls. Adjust the master volume, mute, unmute, and even manage power states with commands like volume up, system sleep, system reboot, and system shutdown. Additional functionalities. Enhance your gaming experience with commands to show or close the instruction manual. Toggle Bluetooth, maximize or minimize the console, create shortcuts, and switch between application windows. In-game voice commands. Improve performance and manage games seamlessly with commands like clear GPU cache for enhanced performance in kill game, to forcefully terminate the current game session. With Retro-Bliss Legacy in the Voice Command Center, your voice becomes the ultimate game controller, bringing a new level of immersion and convenience to your retro gaming experience. Whether you're revisiting old favorites or discovering new classics, this system makes it all effortlessly enjoyable. As we review the Voice Command Center, stay tuned for a visual treat. After the review, we'll showcase a collection of images featuring iconic 80s arcade machines and moments from the Retro-Bliss Legacy community. Don't miss it. If this tribute resonates with you, please leave a comment, drop a thumbs up, and share our passion with others. Subscribe to stay connected and ensure that the legacy of the 80s arcade and the future of virtual pinball thrive together. Thank you for watching, for playing, and for keeping the spirit of those legendary gaming halls alive. Here's to many more games together. Happy gaming! To bring this experience to life, all you need is a small USB microphone. These are incredibly affordable, costing around $11 on Amazon. You can use almost any microphone out there, but this one is particularly cost-effective and easy to set up. See the image for reference. When you initialize the Voice Command Center, it should look like this. See the image. You should see the text displayed in green color. If you do not see the text in green, it means that your antivirus software might be blocking certain functions, which can lead to instability of the Voice Command Center. To ensure smooth operation, make sure to add the Voice Command Center to the exception list in your antivirus software or Windows Defender. Additionally, be sure to unpack the Voice Command Center and place it under vTools. Now let's move on to the exciting part, using the Voice Command Center to streamline your gaming experience. Before we dive into the game searching function, it's important to note that if your voice command isn't recognized immediately, it might be because the microphone needs a moment to normalize, which can take up to 1 second. This brief pause ensures the system accurately captures and processes your command. Now, we're going to guide you through the game searching function, one of the powerful features of the Voice Command Center. This feature allows you to find any game within your vast database effortlessly. To search for a game, simply say "Search Game," followed by the name of the game you're looking for. This voice command streamlines the process, saving you the time and effort of manually scrolling through lists. It's especially useful for large game libraries where finding a specific title can otherwise be time-consuming. Here's a quick step-by-step on how to use it. Ensure your microphone is set up and normalized. Clearly say "Search Game" followed by the game's name. Wait a moment as the system processes your command and locates the game. This function not only enhances your gaming experience by making it more efficient, but also adds a layer of convenience, allowing you to stay immersed in your game world. Let's give it a go and see how it works. Search game.
Which game would you like to search for?
Super Mario Bros. Wonder. Search game.
Which game would you like to search for?
The Legend of Zelda. Search game.
Which game would you like to search for?
Pac-Man. Search game. Search game.
Which game would you like to search for?
Gradius. Search game.
Which game would you like to search for?
Breath of the Wild. Search game.
Which game would you like to search for?
The history of the royal family
Tears of the Kingdom.
is also the history of the Calamity Ganon.
Search game.
Which game would you like to search for?
Gradius. Filter reset. Next, we'll explore the genre search function. This feature allows you to find games based on their genre, making it easier to discover new titles that match your interests. To use this function, simply say search genre, followed by the genre name, such as action or adventure. Remember, you need to be in the game list view for this command to work properly. If the genre search doesn't recognize your selection, it will play an error sound. In this case, just say search genre again. If the genre search doesn't work on the first try, navigate back to the game list view and try searching once more. Let's give it a go and see how it works. Search game.
Which game would you like to search for?
Mario. Search genre.
Which genre would you like to search for?
Action. Search genre.
Which genre would you like to search for?
Variant.
Adventure. Shuffle. 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 Now let's move on to favorite management. This feature helps you keep track of your most loved games with a few simple voice commands. To display your list of favorite games, just say Show Favorites. This command brings up all the games you've marked as favorites. When you want to close the favorites list view, simply say Close Favorites. This will hide the list and return you to your previous view. If you wish to add a game to your favorites or remove it, use the command Toggle Favorite. This toggles the game's status on your favorites list. These commands make it easy to manage your favorite games, ensuring your top picks are always just a voice command away. Let's try these functions out. Show Show favorites. Close favorites. Toggle favorites. Toggle favorites. Next, let's explore the controller configuration via voice command, a feature that adds significant convenience to your gaming setup. To use this feature, you first need to adjust a setting in Dolphin emulator's GameCube controller configuration. Set all ports to standard controller. This adjustment allows you to switch between X input and real Wii remote seamlessly without having to leave Retro-Bliss Legacy. This is particularly useful for playing light gun games and regular Wii games, as it facilitates easy controller type changes. Please note, if you update Retrobat, these configurations may reset to default, so ensure you have a backup of your emulator settings to avoid redoing the setup. Controller settings. Wii controller. Configuration. To configure a Wii controller, simply say Wii controller, followed by the player number, such as player 1 or player 2. This command sets the specified player to use the real Wii remote in Dolphin emulator. Xbox controller configuration. To configure an Xbox controller, say Xbox controller and specify the player number. This command sets the specified player to use X input for Dolphin emulator. These voice commands streamline the process of switching and configuring controllers, ensuring you can focus on your gameplay without interruptions. Let's see how these configurations work in practice. Wii controller.
Which player's controller would you like to activate? For example, player 1.
Player 1.
Player 1. Real Wii remote has been activated.
Xbox controller.
Which player's controller would you like to activate? For example, player 1.
Player 1.
Player 1. X input controller has been activated.
Let's delve into the multiplayer controller settings. These commands are designed to make configuring controllers for multiplayer sessions quick and easy. Multiplayer controller settings, multiplayer Wii. To configure all connected controllers as real Wii remotes for Dolphin emulator, simply say multiplayer Wii. This command ensures that all players are set up with the correct settings for a smooth multiplayer experience. Multiplayer Xbox. To set all connected controllers to X input mode for Dolphin emulator, say multiplayer Xbox. This command is ideal for multiplayer games where you want consistent controller settings across all players. These commands simplify the process of preparing for multiplayer sessions, allowing you and your friends to jump straight into the action without hassle. Let's try out these multiplayer configurations now. Multiplayer Wii.
All real Wii remotes have been activated.
Multiplayer Xbox.
All X input controllers have been activated.
Next, let's look at the synchronization commands. These commands help ensure that your game lists and collections are always up to date and organized. Synchronization Commands. Synchronize game list. To update and synchronize all your game list XML files, simply say Synchronize Game List. This command ensures that your game library is current and reflects any recent changes or updates. Synchronize Collections. To update and synchronize your collections across the system, say Synchronize Collections. This command helps maintain a consistent and organized collection of games, making it easier to manage and access your favorites. These synchronization commands are crucial for keeping your game lists and collections in perfect order, ensuring you have the most up-to-date information at your fingertips. Let's see how these commands work in action. Synchronize game list.
Synchronizing game list XML. Please hold on for a moment. All GammaList XML files have been copied to V, Retrobat ROMs.
Synchronize collections.
Synchronizing collections files. Please hold on for a moment. All collections files have been copied to V, Retrobat emulation stations, emulation station collections.
Now let's explore the master volume and system commands. These commands give you full control over your system's audio and power settings, making your gaming experience even more convenient. Master volume and system commands. Volume controls. Volume up increases the master volume. Volume down decreases the master volume. Toggle mute mutes or unmutes the sound. Set volume sets the master volume to a specific level. System commands. System sleep puts your system to sleep. This command requires confirmation with yes or no. System reboot restarts your system. This command also requires confirmation with yes or no. System shutdown shuts down your system. Like the others, this command requires confirmation with yes or no. These commands allow you to easily manage your system's volume and power states, ensuring a seamless and efficient gaming session. Let's try out these commands and see how they work. Set volume 100. Set volume 80. Volume up. Volume down. Toggle mute. Toggle mute. Legacy shutdown.
Shutting down Retro-Bliss Legacy.
System sleep.
Yes or no?
No.
The request has been cancelled.
System reboot.
Yes or no?
No.
The request has been cancelled.
System shutdown.
Yes or no?
No.
The request has been cancelled.
Next, let's explore some additional functionalities that further enhance your control over the system and improve your overall gaming experience. Additional functionalities: Show Close Instruction Manual. This command allows you to toggle the display of the available voice commands. Simply say Show Instruction Manual to display the commands or Close Instruction Manual to hide them. Toggle Bluetooth. To turn Bluetooth on or off on your PC, just say toggle Bluetooth. This is useful for managing your Bluetooth devices with ease. Console maximize/minimize. Control the visibility of the system console with these commands. Say console maximize to bring up the console interface or console minimize to hide it. Create shortcut. To create a system shortcut in the startup folder, say create shortcut. This ensures that the voice command center starts automatically with Windows. Toggle window. This command allows you to alternate between application windows. It's particularly useful when Retrobat switches windows from the emulator to emulation station. Just say toggle window to switch back to your game seamlessly. These additional functionalities provide you with even greater control and convenience, making your gaming experience smoother and more enjoyable. Let's take a look at how these commands work in action. Show instruction manual. Close instruction manual. Toggle Bluetooth. Toggle Bluetooth. Console maximize. Create shortcut.
The shortcut to your Retro-Bliss Legacy Voice Command Center has now been successfully created in the startup folder.
Console minimize. Toggle window. Toggle window. Now let's explore the home menu commands that provide essential controls for navigating and managing your gaming sessions. These commands are easy to use and enhance your overall experience. Home menu commands, basic controls. Cancel, cancels the current action. Select, selects the highlighted option. Start game, starts the selected game. Randomize, randomly selects a game system. Quick access, provides quick access to frequently used features. Main menu, returns to the main menu. Clear, clears the current selection or action. Escape, exits the current menu or action. Next song, skips to the next song in the playlist. These commands are designed to make navigating your gaming environment straightforward and intuitive. I encourage you to test these commands yourself and experiment with how they can streamline your gaming experience. Let's see how these home menu commands work in action. Select. Cancel. Main menu. Cancel. Randomize. 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 Quick access. Cancel. Voice command activation and status check. This command checks if the voice command feature is active. Simply say voice command to verify the status of the voice control functionality. Voice activate/deactivate. These commands allow you to enable or disable the voice command functionality. To activate the voice commands, say voice activate. To disable them, say voice deactivate. By using these commands, you can easily manage the activation status of the voice command center, ensuring that your voice controls are available whenever you need them. Voice command.
Voice command center. System is active and functioning properly.
Voice deactivate.
Voice search deactivated.
Voice command.
Voice commands are deactivated. Say, voice activate. To activate the voice command.
Voice activate.
Voice search activated.
Starting and shutting down Retro-Bliss. Legacy. To initiate the Retro-Bliss legacy system, simply say legacy start. This command will launch the system, allowing you to begin your gaming session with ease. Legacy shutdown. To safely exit and shut down the Retro-Bliss legacy system, say legacy shutdown. This command ensures that the system closes properly, preventing any potential issues or data loss. Using these commands, you can smoothly start and shut down Retro-Bliss Legacy, enhancing your gaming experience with effortless control. Legacy start.
Starting. Retro-Bliss Legacy.
Legacy shutdown.
Shutting down Retro-Bliss Legacy.
System shutdown.
Yes or no? The
No.
request has been cancelled.
System shutdown.
Yes or no?
Yes. Finally, let's look at some in-game voice commands that can greatly enhance your gaming experience by providing quick solutions to common issues. In-game voice commands. Clear GPU cache. This command clears the GPU cache for enhanced performance, particularly useful for the Xbox 360 emulator. Simply say clear GPU cache to execute this command. Kill game. If you need to forcefully terminate the current game session, say kill game. This command is a quick way to exit a game that may be unresponsive. Filter reset. To clear and reset game filters in the collection view, say filter reset. This is useful for refreshing your game list and removing any active filters. These in-game voice commands provide you with powerful tools to manage performance and control your gaming environment efficiently. Let's see these commands in action. Start game. Clear GPU cache.
Xbox 360. GPU cache has been successfully cleared.
Toggle window. Kill game.